Hello, sweet people. This is me, Uliana, and the Digital English. This video will clarify you how to create your customized, incredible, and stylish highlights for your Instagram account. Well, you may know that highlights are really essential in everyone's business life because highlights they are like big boards. A few years ago, people used big boards for placing ads announcements on their goods or services in order to engage more people to purchase them. Nowadays in online business environment, you can do the same by using this wonderful Instagram section. Well, this section is called highlights. Just right now, we are going to create one more highlight icon to this testing Instagram account, and we are going to upload it. For this purpose, you have to use one of these ads or more ads. I mean, one of these apps, or actually both of them. Well, the first one is more simple. You can create your highlight icons. However, you can't. You are limited to creating some other features for your Instagram account. But by using the second app called Story Click, you can even create amazing attracting catching and eye posts for your Instagram stories by using templates of this Story Click app, as well as you can create your customized covers for your Instagram stories. Well, firstly, we are going to use this app. So I'm clicking on it, and now I'm clicking on Create. Now we have to choose among bunches of background options and their styles. That background that I'd like to apply to my Instagram highlights icon. Well, I'm going to choose this one. Well, now I'm going to change my frame, and I'm clicking on this style of frames, and I'm choosing this one. I'd like to resize it, and you have once again to click on this wreath of frame icon and to use this slider for resizing your frame. Well, I guess it's going to be okay for my highlights icon. Then you press on this button, and you can choose your icon. Well, I'm going to click on this section and to choose let's take these flip-flops. They are matching quite well our background style of our highlights icon. Well, I'm going to leave it. Now you have to click on this tag to save all this stuff. Once again, because I've closed this ad, popping up ad. Now we've saved our image, our highlights icon, and now we have to upload it to our Instagram account. The first step you have to undertake is to place these highlights icons image to your Instagram stories, and afterwards you can add it to your Instagram highlights. Well, let's do it. Well, let's get back to our testing account. Let's click on this avatar pic. Let's choose our highlights icon. Let's place it in our story. Let's share it. So guys, now we are adding our highlight to our highlights row by clicking on this plus, which means to add, because my interface, my Instagram account's interface is in Russian. So I'll clarify you that this plus means to add, because if your interface is in English, it's going to be in English. You can easily understand by clicking on this plus that this means to add. Well, everyone can understand this. So I'm clicking on to add. And here is our story, and I'm adding it. And now you can add edit your highlights cover. So we are going to click on it, and we are going to make it bigger. So let's leave it. And now you can add a text, you can add a title. So people note that when you add your text inside of this Instagram highlights icon, it's a good idea not to duplicate it, not to make a copy of this text here in the title, because it looks really silly, so it doesn't make sense. So if you place here like an image, so here below the text is going to be, so type your text here below. If you place your text your title just right here in the middle of your highlights icon. Then you don't have to type it underneath your highlight. Well, so we are going to type like summer summer shoes. Summer shoes. You have not to forget that you are limited here by using your typing symbols, by using a number of letters. So now we are clicking just right now on done. And it's loading our highlighter icon. And so it's over here. So a person can click on this highlight and get to know on some info concerning your products. Well, actually, guys, this is the end of the video. However, I'd like you to use this story clicker app because it's stuffed with more features for your Instagram account. So as I mentioned a few minutes ago, you can create, you can use templates, all templates for your Insta story for your Insta stories covers. So let's try one. Well, let's choose something interesting, something extraordinary. Well, let's scroll down a bit further. So let's click on this template. You are offered more options, more templates in the same style. Well, let's choose this one. And now you can add your image. Well, we have to wait till this ad is vanished. Well, now we are adding. Now to add a text, you can here add your text. However, I just want to add my image. So I'm clicking on this. I'm clicking on my gallery. Well, then let's choose, or let's choose from. So let's choose this girl. So you see, this is going to be this way. However, you can choose a better template with a better choice or for a color pattern. However, you already know what features you may apply when creating your Instagram posts, your Instagram covers, and your highlights icons. Well, and here below, you can see here below in the main menu, you can click on Highlight Maker. Well, and you are offered even more of highlights for your Instagram account in comparison to other app we used just a few minutes ago. Well, so people, I guess that your highlights will be really that your highlights will be up to date or stylish and outstanding among others, among other Instagram accounts when you start using these two incredible apps, Story Clicks and Highlight Maker. So take care. See you in my next tutorials. Bye.